Hi guys, today we're going to be working on this John Deere G110 lawn tractor. It's a 54-inch cut, 25 horsepower, and we're upgrading the wheel bushings to wheel bearings. I've already completed the right-hand side here, yet to complete the left-hand side, which we'll demonstrate in this video. So let's get started. First things first is to jack up the front of the tractor. This wheel doesn't have a dust cap, but if yours does, the easiest way to remove the cap without damaging is slightly heating it first with a heat gun or hair dryer. Remove the snap ring or E-clip by sliding a large bladed screwdriver into one of the slots and twist. With the snap ring removed, the wheel will be free to slide off. Clean and inspect the axle for damage. If there are any large grooves, then the spindle might have to be replaced. Most of the wear should be at the bottom side of the axle facing the ground. I'm using a fine grit sandpaper to buff out any rust or small scratches, then cleaning the dust away with some brake cleaner. Working on a solid surface, slide a metal punch through one side of the wheel and catch the inside lip of the bushing furthest away from you. I personally like to give a few lighter taps, working my way around the bushing first to help loosen it up, and then some larger whacks to break it free. Flip the wheel over and do the same thing to the other side. Before installing the new bearings, clean up all the old grease and dirt. This is the old bushing, John Deere part number M123811, and the new bearing AM127304. Place the bearing evenly into the rim. You can use a piece of pipe or socket to tap in the bearing. An important note to understand is that when pressing in the bearing, the force should be on the outside race and not the inside race of the bearing. This is why a pipe or socket works best. Tap into place until the bearing is flush with the hub, then repeat on the other side. Now is a good time as any to grease the spindle. Add enough grease to push out the old stuff and you start seeing new grease. Add a small amount of grease to the axle before sliding the wheel back on. This is to prevent rusting. Reinstall the wheel, outside washer, snap ring, and dust cap. Some people add grease to the hub or pack the bearings. These are sealed bearings, and in my opinion this is not necessary and kind of defeats the purpose of buying sealed bearings in the first place. The wheel now rolls much nicer and with less play. Well guys, thanks for watching, and like always, if this video helped you out, liking, commenting, subscribing is always greatly appreciated. Till next time.